Green anaconda. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world and one of the largest ever recorded. It lives in the swamps, slow-moving rivers, and flooded forests of South America, especially around the Amazon basin. Its massive body is perfectly built for life in the water, where it quietly waits for prey before striking with incredible power. Fish, birds, deer, and even caimans can all become part of its diet. Although its enormous size makes it seem intimidating, attacks on humans are extremely rare. Reticulated python. The reticulated python is the longest snake on Earth, with some individuals growing well over 20 feet in length. It is found throughout Southeast Asia, living in rainforests, wetlands, and even near villages. Its beautiful, net-like pattern is what gives the species its name. Rather than using venom, it wraps its powerful body around its prey until it can no longer breathe. Thanks to its impressive climbing and swimming abilities, this giant snake can thrive in a wide range of environments. Burmese python. The Burmese python is one of the world's largest snakes and is native to South and Southeast Asia. It prefers grasslands, marshes, and tropical forests, where it can remain hidden for long periods. Despite its enormous size, it generally has a calmer nature than many other large snakes. In places like Florida, where released pet pythons establish wild populations, the species has become an invasive predator that has a significant impact on local wildlife. African rock python. The African rock python is Africa's largest snake and one of the continent's most powerful predators. It lives in forests, grasslands, rocky hills, and areas close to rivers. Known for its incredible strength and defensive nature, it can overpower surprisingly large animals, including antelope. Unlike many giant snakes, it is also known for fiercely guarding its eggs until they hatch, showing an unusual level of parental care for a reptile. Indian python. The Indian python is a large, non-venomous snake found across the Indian subcontinent. It lives in forests, wetlands, and open grasslands, where its patterned skin helps it blend seamlessly into its surroundings. It spends much of its time resting quietly before ambushing prey that wanders too close. Although it is often mistaken for the Burmese python, it has a distinct appearance and a more limited range in the wild. Amethystine python. The amethystine python, also known as the scrub python, is the largest native snake in Australia. It is also found in parts of New Guinea and nearby islands. In sunlight, its scales often reflect a beautiful, rainbow-like shine, which inspired its name. It is an excellent climber and frequently hunts birds and mammals in trees, making it one of the most agile giant snakes despite its impressive size. Boa Constrictor. The boa constrictor is one of the best-known large snakes in the Americas. It ranges from northern Mexico through much of South America and lives in forests, grasslands, and dry regions. While it is not as long or as heavy as the largest pythons or anacondas, it is still a powerful constrictor capable of catching a wide variety of animals. Its remarkable adaptability has helped it survive in many different habitats for thousands of years. King cobra. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake and can grow to remarkable lengths. It lives in forests across India and Southeast Asia, where it mainly hunts other snakes rather than mammals. Unlike giant constrictors, it relies on powerful venom to subdue its prey. It is also famous for building a nest and carefully guarding its eggs, a behavior that is extremely rare among snakes and makes this species truly unique.